The Sentiment Trader is based on real trades and displays information about current and historic long-short sentiment in the market. It is designed to give you an up-to-the-minute picture of what real money traders are doing at any given time in order to help you make better decisions about your own trading. Setup. To get started, simply drag and drop the Sentiment Trader from the Expert Advisors list in MetaTrader 4 Navigator onto a chart. Make sure the Allow Live Trading and Allow DLL Imports boxes are checked and that Auto Trading is turned on. You're now ready to trade using the Sentiment Trader. Multi-screen trading. You can position the Sentiment Trader anywhere on your desktop or on the chart. If you want to pin it to the chart, simply click on the top left icon and select Pin Unpin. Multiple languages. The Sentiment Trader operates in multiple international languages as standard, and if possible will automatically display in the language used for your MT4. To change the Sentiment Trader language once the MT4 is open, simply select the language you want from the main MT4 View Languages menu and either restart the MT4 or remove and add back the Sentiment Trader. Sentiment Trader currently supports these languages. If you would like a new language to be added, please ask. About sentiment data. The Sentiment Trader displays information about long-short sentiment, the percentage of traders who currently have an open buy or sell position in a symbol. For example, the Sentiment Trader here shows that euro-dollar is 34% long. This means that of the thousands of traders trading euro-dollar right now, 34% of them think the euro will strengthen against the dollar. The sentiment data is drawn from real money accounts only, not from demo accounts. For more details about how the sentiment is calculated, please read the detailed user guides provided. Using the Sentiment Trader. The Sentiment Trader shows the current long-short sentiment and a chart of historic sentiment plotted against price action. In this example, sentiment has risen over 50% before falling back to 34%, i.e., a majority of traders have been short euro-dollar. Changing the display of current sentiment. The way current sentiment is displayed can be changed using the pop-up bar just under the sentiment display. There are three options available: a dial, a pie chart, and a gauge, which is the default. Changing the display of historic sentiment. The way that historic sentiment is displayed can also be changed using a pop-up bar in the bottom left of the chart. Here we can choose the time frame for the historic chart, for example M5, M15 or H1, and one of three different types of chart: price candles versus sentiment, the default; a line chart of close prices versus sentiment; sentiment candles, these show the range of sentiment values rather than just the closing value within each time bar. We are changing this chart to a 30-minute display and also choosing to display closing prices. Current open position. The boxes at the top of the display show any open position in the selected symbol. In this example, the trader is incurring a small loss. Switching between symbols. To switch between different symbols, we use the Symbols tab at the top of the app and by clicking on the name of the symbol we want. In addition to the symbols list, the symbol display shows the current long-short sentiment as a bar. Any open position in the symbol, for example dollar-yen, and the volume of profit and loss of the open position. Clicking on the volume or profit and loss figures will open the trading screen. Opening and closing positions. Clicking on the New Order heading opens the order screen. This way we can open and close orders quickly without having to go elsewhere in the platform. The top of the trading form shows any open position in the selected symbol with a button for closing that position. Below that is a simple form for placing a new buy or sell market order, together with fields for setting lot size or volume, stop loss, take profit, and also the option to implement non-hedging mode. As you will have seen, the Sentiment Trader is a great personal trading assistant, providing you with unique market intelligence designed to help you trade more efficiently with better tools and better information. For further information, please contact us or check the website for the software's detailed user guide.